All right. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning. Top of the day to you. Another session of Markets with Morning Joe. Today is Monday, February 3rd, and it's a little past 7. Actually, it's 20 past 7. And what a wild night last night. I don't know if you guys caught the video that I made last night, but the markets were definitely in a panic. It was pretty wild and exciting night last night to watch everything just collapse. We're starting off with the Bitcoin chart. Bitcoin basically had a beautiful sell-off from Friday, and it just continued to sell each day over the weekend. Last night it tagged 91,000, and it's gotten a bounce off of that level since then. All right, so um, we'll see where it goes after today and throughout the rest of the week uh, as the tariffs take place. I thought they took place on the 1st. In fact, they actually don't take place until tomorrow. But let's see if they even take place. So we'll see if what happens with this tariff war and how the markets react to all of it. Let's go back up to gold. Gold is up to $2,800. It had a nice little sell-off late last night with just about everything else, and now it's trading back above $2,800. So gold strong. I think fear set in a little bit that pushed it back higher. The U.S. dollar has come down from its highs last night, and it's still at 109. We'll just wait and see what happens with everything. Silver is kind of stuck in that same area. Silver is a great buy still. And let's go to uranium. I haven't talked about uranium really. Uranium is down. It's at a good level. Every time it hits this trend line that I have, it gets a nice bounce back up. Although I will say lately this is kind of a bearish chart pattern, so I don't know if it's going to fall and break below this trend line. We'll see. Long term, I think uranium is incredibly bullish, and if it does go lower, that's a huge buying opportunity. So watch uranium. Uranium, all energy stocks are going to be great long term plays. Starting now, really. I mean, they're all starting to make natural gas is making a move higher. Oil is a tricky one. With Trump, drill baby drill, you would think oil is going to continue to go lower, but it seems to hold up. I mean, it's trading within this range, and it got a nice bid last night, or even the last since Friday, really, and it's kind of right in the middle of this 20-day and 200-day moving average kind of cross. So we'll see where it goes. This whole tariff talk obviously will have some sort of an effect on it. Natural gas got a beautiful bid from Friday's lows. All right, natural gas closed at a little over like 304 on Friday. It's up about just under 30 cents. That's a nice bounce. If you go to the natural gas oil, U.S. oil fund, United States natural gas fund, I should say, that got a huge bounce this morning. It's into the 20-day moving average, so we'll see if it goes higher from here. Probably not. I'm guessing there's gonna be profit taking, and it'll probably come back down again. So we'll see how this tariff war goes from here. The tariffs don't actually take effect until tomorrow. I thought they already took place on the 1st, but it's all basically negotiation tactics right now at this point. If it continues throughout the week, they actually take effect, then I think that'll have maybe a larger hit on the markets. If it gets resolved, the markets are just going to bounce and recover. S&P is trading at the trend line right here. There's a red bar low right here. That's a gap window. I would not be surprised if it filled the gap right beneath it around 589. That'd be a nice area to get in long at. All right, semiconductors are down a little bit. Everything's down. Semiconductors, the Qs, the small caps, everything's a little bit down. It's not bad. It's not awful. But we'll see where things go after today. At least for now, I'm thinking the market's probably going to get a bid this morning, and see how they react to the news. Everything, all the stocks are down slightly, so nothing major. All right, I'm not going to make this a long video. I made a video last night for you as well, so I guess we'll just stay tuned and see what happens and go from there. Have a wonderful day. Cheers to you all. Hope you enjoy the channel. Take care.